Using a Visa debit gift card online is a convenient and secure way to make purchases over the internet. To get started, make sure you have your Visa debit gift card and know the card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. First, choose the online store where you want to make a purchase and add the items you want to buy to your shopping cart. When you are ready to check out, click on the Checkout button and select the payment option. Look for the option to pay with a credit or debit card, as your Visa debit gift card can be used in the same way. Next, enter your Visa debit gift card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. The card number is the 16-digit number on the front of the card. The expiration date is the month and year the card expires, and the security code is the 3-digit code on the back of the card. After entering your card details, you will be asked to enter your name and billing address. This information should match the details you provided when you registered your card. If you are not sure what your billing address is, you can check your card documentation or contact the card issuer. Once you have entered all the required information, review your order and click the Submit button to complete the transaction. You will then receive a confirmation email from the online store with the details of your purchase. It is also important to keep track of your card balance to avoid declined transactions. You can check your balance by visiting the card issuer's website or by contacting their customer service. To avoid any issues, make sure to only use your Visa debit gift card at online stores that accept Visa and have a secure payment processing system. In addition, it is a good idea to keep your card details and transaction history safe by using strong passwords and keeping your computer and internet connection secure. By following these steps and best practices, you can safely and securely use your Visa debit gift card to make online purchases.